Hello, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Christmas memories with Miranda and Lisa, and there's my sketch for inspiration today. And I do follow it 100% to the T. I absolutely love this sketch. It is one of my go-to sketches that I use when I'm not sure what to do. It's not that I'm out of mojo. It's more of, I just don't know, like, what I want to do with a layout, so I just go to this one. I have one other, like, two other, I'd say, like, one or two other ones that I do go to that I use if I'm just needing something a little bit of extra pizzazz to it or whatever. And before I turned the camera on, I went and used my Cricut Cuttlebug die cutting machine and did up some funkier style to the strips because that's what they have in the sketch. And I will leave the link down below of where I got my inspiration from. It's a pinned post on my Pinterest board. You can always go check my Instagram, and my Pinterest is all linked down below. They always are in the social media links, just so that if you're wanting inspiration, that's where I put all of my stuff for, like, safekeeping for, like, you guys, if you guys ever want to go back and look. And on my Pinterest, that's where I have a ton of my inspiration of, like, the templates that I like. And then also I've got my sketches that I make on there, as well as all of my layouts that I have. So if you're not used to using a sketch, you can definitely go and look at, like, my layouts, because I put them on there as well. And here I am, like I said, I'm following this sketch to the T. I almost know this by heart. And the only thing that I don't do that's in this sketch that isn't on this layout is the little corner piece that's in the bottom part. And why I say that is that I put, when I get to the embellishments part, you will see what I'm talking about. I put a little bit more embellishments on there, and then I just move my journaling over just a little bit instead. And I did do my journaling off camera, but you see in the still shots what I did. Everything else is pretty much on camera that you see. I back the file here, or the pictures. I think I'm like day 6 in, and let me tell you, now everything's just starting to run together, because all I've been doing is fussy cutting and doing up cut files. So I'm just like, it's a file, where this time around I just did a sketch. I do everything pretty much on camera for everything that I like to do. And then the photos are of this year. So my problem is I'm pretty well caught up. So I'm done with, I didn't start doing December documented, December daily, whatever you want to call it at this point. I started in 2015 because I did not know it was like a thing. I didn't think to look at it differently than like I do now. So as I'm going through the embellishments, this is the exclusive kit from the Hip Kit. It's their December kit. I went and realized that I wanted more paper, and I cannot get it. They do have the main kit though, so that you could definitely get a double dose of all of this if you wanted to. But to get back to the documenting in December, I didn't start till 2016, not 2015, 2016. So 2016 is all done. 2017 is almost done. I went through everything. I've got like 3 layouts left to go, and it'll be finished as of once I get to these next 6 days of the Christmas memories with Miranda and Lisa. This particular day, I have had to go into this year's documenting December because I have already documented all of my Santa stuff. And the problem is that in 2016, when I was doing up my memories last year, I did not have a photo of Kaylin seeing Santa because I didn't really think of documenting it. And plus, my family was in the States where I was back in Germany at that time. So I didn't think to, take a picture of it. So that's the kind of like the problem that I have with this particular one. So that's why I'm like ahead of everything. So every year I'm always going to have to do that current year's Santa photos because it threw me off because of my 2016. So these are of my daughter. This is while we were at the exchange. Y'all know that I'm military, so we have a retail facility that is on the installation, and they always have Santa every year. And so we decided, because I love the backdrop, I love what they did for seeing Santa, I used these, and it kind of knocked something off my list of not having to worry about doing another Santa photo, because this one turned out perfect. I absolutely loved what the photos look like, and all of the colors that are in the photo matches this collection very well. So right there where it shows that the stockings are being put down, that should have been down in that corner a piece. So I kind of used that as my go-to. And then I'm just layering a bunch of stuff all the way down. I do call this Holly Jolly Christmas, I think it's Christmas Memories or Christmas List. Holly Jolly Christmas List is what I'm calling it, wish list. And it's just the 2 stickers. Now I'm just going through all of the embellishments that they have in the stickers and everything else like that to see what I'm wanting to put on there. And for the most part, this is pretty well done. I do cut it down just a little bit, which you will see on camera as well. And I put a lighter blue as a border. I absolutely loved that blue, like the blue that's in here. The blue, this whole kit is just gorgeous. I absolutely love it. It's got the traditional colors that meets modern, and it's unbelievable. And look at the amount of stickers they have. Oh my gosh, that is, oh my gosh, tons and tons of stickers, tons and tons of embellishments. I almost just want to order the kit one more time just so I have it ×2, because I think next year would be an amazing set to do for my 12x12s too. And here are the sequence mix that they provided as well. And then the other thing is, make sure that you go check out Lisa's channel as well and see what her visiting Santa is for the prompt. And you'll see just a little bit of else that's left over. Make sure that you like and subscribe to both of our channels. I am under 50 subscribers. I know that this is sounding like a broken record, but I'm promising you, I'm so super close. Like, I'm under 40 now. I think I've got like 44 people left to go before I hit 1,000. So let's get me to 1,000 before the new year. And here I am, I'm back in that mint color, and then I'm just left with it, and that is it. So make sure that you go check out Lisa's, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.